Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make your PDF file smaller using Canva. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the home page and click on the Create a Design button. From the drop-down, choose Import File. This will let you upload your PDF directly into Canva. Now select the PDF file you want to make smaller. You can drag and drop it into the upload window or just browse for it on your computer. Once the file is uploaded, click on it to open and view it in Canva. Now, to reduce the size of the file, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the File button. In the menu that opens, select Download. A new panel will show you the different ways you can download your file. You'll notice two main options under File Type. One is PDF Print, and the other is PDF Standard. PDF print is meant for high-quality printing, so it keeps the file in a large size. But since we want to reduce the file size, choose PDF Standard instead. This version is optimized for a smaller size and still keeps the content clear for viewing on screens. Once you select PDF Standard, scroll down if needed and click the Download button. Canva will prepare the file for you. After a few seconds, the smaller version of your PDF will be saved to your device. That's it. Thanks for watching.